Good morning and good afternoon. Welcome to the fourth Indo-European Conference on Standards and Emerging Technologies. At the outset, I'd like to express my gratitude to the SESI project for bringing us together. Our focus will cover crucial topics such as circular economy, smart city connectivity, data privacy, and cybersecurity. During my presentation, I'll share insights on TSDSI and its activities relevant to the conference topics. Thank you all for joining us. Our mission at TSDSI is to advance India's telecom and ICT domain to new heights. As an autonomous standards development organization, we are dedicated to creating standards that address India's needs, backed by extensive research and innovation. Collaborating with global bodies, we ensure India's needs are reflected in international telecom and ICT standards. Our role in integrating Indian intellectual property into global standards is crucial. Recognized by the Department of Telecommunications, we stand as India's telecom SDO, operating under principles of openness, fairness, and consensus. Our objectives are to develop, promote, and standardize India-centric telecom and ICT requirements on a global stage, nurturing technology neutrality and offering an equitable platform for all our members. Standards is a collaborative work, and TSDSI plays a crucial role as a platform for India's industry, academia, and startups to collaborate and carry out technical studies and develop standards in a well-defined and structured manner and submit that to TEC for adoption as national standards. TSDSI is an essential enabler for global standards. TSDSA IMs can contribute to 3GPP and 1M2M. Similarly, the standards made in 3GPP and 1M2M are transposed as TSDSA standards. TSDSA can directly contribute to ITU or also route its contributions to ITU via TEC as national contribution. We also have adoption agreements with IEEE and ATSC, so we can adopt the standards as TSDSA standards. I would now like to highlight the joint work between TSDSI, ETSI, and the European Union. We have a cooperation agreement with ETSI to work together on regional and international standardization with the goal of building an interoperable global information infrastructure. We also teamed up with ETSI under the India-EU ICT standardization project to support standardization activities. Our teamwork has led to some centers of excellence like IIIT Hyderabad's Center for Smart Cities and IIIT Delhi's Center for Light Fidelity. We have hosted big meetings and workshops with the Indo-EU project where everyone shared their ideas. It was a big success. We are working with ETSI right now about doing even more together, especially in mobile edge computing. We have just started using some special standards from ETSI about IoT and NFV. These will help NCCS, a wing of DOT, in the preparation of ITSR, which is basically telecom security assurance requirements for telecom equipment. So basically together with ETSI and the European Union, we are building a world where everyone's technology can talk the same language and work together. TSDSI's technical structure comprises of two core groups focusing on networks and services and solutions. The network study group explores the domains of 6G, 5G advancements, broadcast offload, spectrum studies, open systems, and wireless backhaul. Meanwhile, the services and solutions study group works on security aspects like machine KYC and post-quantum cryptography, application layers spanning automotive, health, finance, and emerging technologies such as the metaverse and UAV drones. The group also focuses on services architecture and framework definition and development, and areas like rural broadband, edge connectivity, cloud interoperability, and IoT M2M. Additionally, TSDSI drives strategic initiatives including technology roadmap forums, task forces on open source, global standards promotion, engagement with startups and industry, standards-driven research, and certifications. It promotes collaborative workshops and active engagement in organizations like ITU, 3GPP, and 1M2M. So coming to the current technical activities at TSDSI, we have in the area of smart cities and connectivity, TSDSI focuses on various critical aspects such as defining communication needs for the energy sector, exploring intelligent transport system communication standards, integrating communication with sensing at the application level, designing rural broadband services and architectures, and establishing common edge connectivity to support public utility services. In the area of security, privacy, and circular economy, TSDSI focuses on the following key aspects: securing AI ML model transfers in 5G, safeguarding location privacy against authentication relay attacks in 5G, developing security measures for the upcoming 6G network, designing advanced network security architectures for 5G and beyond, and exploring cost-effective data service models in the evolving telecom landscape. We also have TRIP forums which focus on IoT and M2M, quantum communications, and automated electric roadmap transport alongside study groups. Specifically, the IoT M2M TRIP forum is developing white papers, notably on smart cities, agri-tech, and fintech, offering insights into deployment opportunities, challenges, and strategies for pilots, testbeds, field trials, and policy support for concerned ministries. So the reports published cover a broad spectrum of advancements in the field of technology. They cover various domains such as 6G, 5G enhancements, broadcast convergence, applications and verticals, services architecture, and security. These reports focus on cutting-edge technologies, their applications across industries, and crucial security considerations, reflecting the evolving landscape of technology and its impact on various sectors. So that brings me to the end of the presentation. Thank you all for joining us.